Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Apple's most popular iPhone lineups, the iPhone 11 series. So I have iPhone 2, iPhone 11s, right? One is purple and red because iPhone 11 have multiple color options, black, white, purple 11, maybe yellow, there's one and green also as well. So, um why it's still fantastic choice in 2025, especially with iOS 19 keeping it fresh and powerful. Let's dive in. The iPhone 11 series was already impressive when it launched back in 2019, but iOS 19 breathes new life into these devices. Here's what makes this shine. Powerful Apple A13 Bionic chip, the same chip powering the iPhone SE 2020, which is this one. It's still fast enough to handle iOS 19 features like advanced multitasking and improved AI compatibilities. Dual and triple cameras. The second thing. iPhone 11 held dual camera setup, but Pro series have triple camera setups. iPhone 11's night mode and deep fusion get even better with iOS 19's new photo editing tools. Of course, battery life, the last. The 11 series was known for its amazing battery life, especially the Pro Max. Even in 2025, it outlasts many new budget phones. Here's why iPhone 11 series still makes sense in 2025. The first thing, affordable pricing. With the 11 series now available at lower prices, it's a steal for those wanting a premium iPhone experience without breaking the bank. As 19 optimization, the second, Apple's software update keep iPhone 11 series running smoothly, unlike some older models that were dropped this year. The third thing is great design. It have back glass with its aluminium and glass build. The iPhone 11 still looks and feels modern. This have a buff guard on it, but it will looks like a shiny like this. And Pro series are matte ones. Now let's talk longevity. With the Apple A13 Bionic chip, iPhone 11 series should still receive iOS 19 updates for at least another year or two. That means you are not just buying a phone for now, you are investing in a device that'll stay relevant for years to come. So whether you're looking for a solid upgrade or just want to experience iOS 19 without splurging on the latest models, the iPhone 11 series is still one of the best choices out there. What do you think? Are you sticking with iPhone 11 in 2025 or are you planning to upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.